Hi there, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to load a JSON file or just to read the JSON file. The JSON file which we're going to be reading is breeds.json, literally just a list of dog breeds. The first thing that you'd want to do is import or load your fs module. Actually, before that, just in case we haven't done it, within your terminal, and locate or change that into your directory, you want to do npm install fs. I'm not going to do that because we've already done it, but then just hit enter and then it will install fs module, and then we need to sort of get that module and import it, and we do that with const fs equals require and then pass in fs as a string. The next thing, in order to load our file, we just want to define our variable. So I'm just going to call mine dog breeds because that's the data which it holds. And then I just do fs.ReadFileSync. And then I'll pass in as a string the name of my JSON file, which is breeds, but always remember to put .json on the end. Just console.log that, just to show. It won't show anything too interesting. Come on, cannot type. Well, it won't show anything. If you just do node and then server, that's the name of my file. I don't really understand what this is. I suppose it's just reading the JSON file before it's passed. Maybe each number is sort of like a dog breed, or each number is a string. It'd be interesting maybe to find out what it means, but anyway, the next thing that we'd want to do is parse the data. So we want to pass fs.ReadFileSync, and then what this will do is the data will then sort of become a JavaScript object which we can actually read and will recognize. So in order to do that, you just do you do JSON.parse, and make sure JSON is all capital letters, and then .parse, open bracket, and then you want to wrap this bracket around the fs.ReadFileSync and then the name of your file. And if we just reset our server and then run it again, we see sort of data that we recognize, and for me that's just the name of the dog breeds. So once again, I'll just put on here loads breeds.json. So const, let's say cat data is equal to JSON.parse fs.ReadFileSync, open bracket, the name of the file, so within a string, cat.json, and then if we console.log cat data, we will then get our cat data. So I'll stop the server, restart it again, and there we go. So first of all, got my dog still, or the breeds, and now I've got the cat data, name, pharaoh, breed, sphinx, color golden. So yeah, that's how you would just load a JSON file.